At this point, you need to decide on the shape of your butterfly. How we're going to do that is by taking the construction paper, and we'll do a couple of different designs just to get a feel for it. On this purple paper, what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half to try to get that symmetrical butterfly look. And if you're using a pencil, then you can give it a couple of tries. But here's a couple of examples. We've got a more detailed outline of a butterfly, more like a monarch version. And then we have a simpler plan, which is pretty easy to duplicate. This may take a couple of tries. You just use an eraser, and honestly, you're going to use the side with the pencil as your back side. So if you need to make changes, do a couple of lines, that's fine too. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the folded side, and we're going to draw out from there. And this line is light, but I can see it, and I'll be able to see it for cutting. You're going to draw it up. And this is only one wing of the butterfly, remember? And then we're going to come back down, and we're going to use as much of the paper as we can to give us enough space for decorating and tissue paper. And then what we need to do is we need to make an interior outline. All of this space here is going to be used for gluing the tissue paper down, so we want to make sure that we have enough of that. We're going to come back in the center and go out again. So just think of this interior space as the negative space of the project. And this here is going to be the space that we actually can decorate and embellish.